Hey, if you want to increase or decrease the volume level on your SONY WF-C700N, you can actually do this by controlling this touch sensor. And to do this, first of all, you have to be connected with the Sony headphones application, and you will start from this screen, from the status. So you have to go to the system, then click on the settings icon where you've got the change button function, and here just select it for the left or the right earbud, depends on your own preferences, and select the volume control. And here, by pressing one time, you can raise the volume, or clicking and holding lower the volume. So click down to confirm and take a look how it works. When you play the song and you want to lower the volume, click and hold on the left bud, and as you can see, it is decreasing the volume when you keep holding. When you keep tapping like this, you can increase the volume. And right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.